In this video, I will show you how to allow Discord access to your mic in the Chrome browser. So firstly, open Chrome, three dots, then settings. Now here click on privacy and security. Now click on site settings. Now here click on microphone. Now here guys you will see blocked sign. So remove Discord from this list. Not allowed to use your microphone. So if you see Discord URL, so click on delete. Now open new tab and type discord.com. Now click on login. Now enter your email and password. Now here click on mic, then click on allow. Now reopen your Discord. So this way guys you can fix and resolve, and you can allow Discord access to your mic in the Chrome browser. Thanks for watching and please comment this method work for you or not.